Tibidu will come to you. Why?
What do we see?
Tibidu yelling, rolling to me.
Follow the yarn, let's go and play. Y is for fun, all the way.
Y is for yo-yo, spin it high C. Y is for yak, so fluffy and shy. Then Y, clap along with me. Y is the happiest letter you see.
Y is for yogurt boat sailing near.
Yummy yellow treats for friends so dear.
Follow the yarn, come dance with me. Y is easy as can be.
Wow!
Y is for yo-yo, spin it high C.
Oh!
Y is for yak,